Hit it hard. 1, 2, I'm with you. Go. Halfway. Jump up. There you go. Halfway. Real high. Come on, Nick. I want your feet to be closer. If you screw up, if you don't do it right, I'm going to take you to time out. Feet closer, buddy. Right there. Watch this. And out. Good. 2 seconds. 1 second. Hold. Right there. Right there. You see what happened when you hold? Your muscle getting so tight. That's how you build strength. That's how you build muscle. We got 1 and go up and jump. There you go. Come on. Go down real high, Nick. I want to see you up all the way up. You see that? I want you to talk to. Touch it. There you go. 10 seconds. That's it. What do you got? What are you going to do? You build the legs? That's how you build it. You can build the legs. You got 3 seconds. Let's go. And hold down. Right there. Keep your form. There you go. Don't let nothing move. You just hold it. Keep your chest up. 1, 2, and up. Go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. No time to play. Everything you got right now, give it to me. There you go. We're almost there, guys. Almost there. Real high. Down. Come on, Eric. Down. 4. There you go. 2. Last 1. Hold. Hold. There you go. You want to hold right there. It's burning. On fire. Remember, I want to test everything you got. Stop. Nice. Get some water. Nice. Hey.